Viewers, you are once again welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjay Astro Science. I am Dr. SHL. Today's topic is election prospects of TMC or BJP in West Bengal 2020 elections, and also will be based on the date of birth of Mamata Banerjee and Dilip Ghosh taken from the Google, and we assume that both date of births are correct. So date of birth Mamata Banerjee is 5th of January 1955 and date of birth of Dilip Ghosh is 1st of August 1964. So based on these date of births we will construct their Loshu grids. So Loshu grid of Mamata Banerjee will look like this. She has only one plane. This is called will plane, as also called success plane. And in the case of Dilip Ghosh, there is only one plane is formed, that is called practical plane. Other planes are incomplete. For example, mental plane, success plane 1, will plane and thought plane. These are, because some digits are missing, so it has only one plane which is complete. This is called practical plane. One thing must be noted here that Mamata Banerjee has a will plane, and the same plane is formed in the date of birth of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and you know, with this plane only he attained the highest post. So this plane cannot be ignored while making the analysis for Mamata Banerjee. Now we have to add 3 more digits to the Loshu grid. These are driver, conductor and KUA. How to work out driver, conductor and KUA is already discussed in the previous video and you can see in the description of the video. Now we have to add these numbers to the Loshu grid. So driver in the case of Mamata Banerjee is 5, conductor 8 and KUA 6. And in the case of Dilip Ghosh, the driver 1, conductor 2 and KUA 9. So these numbers are added in their Loshu grid. We added 5 here, 8 here and 6 here. So one more plane is formed. This is called practical plane in the case of Mamata Banerjee. Now we look at the digits which are belong to driver, conductor and KUA. In the case of Dilip Ghosh, we added 1 here, 2 here and 9 here. So in the case of Dilip Ghosh, another plane is formed. This is called mental plane. Still this plane is incomplete. This is very important plane. This is called will plane, or this plane is important rather than other planes. So this plane is still missing in the case of Dilip Ghosh. Now we have to add the year numbers to the Loshu grid. Year number is also important. So year number is computed by taking into account day, month and current year. Current year 2021, because we already crossed 5th of January 2021. So we take here the 2021 and the year number is 2. In the case of Dilip Ghosh, because when I reached the August in 2021, so we take the 2020 here and the year number will be 4. So we add these number to the Loshu grid also. So when we added this year number to the Loshu grid of Mamata Banerjee, another plane is formed which is called success plane 2, and this is very important because all these elements 5, 8 and 2 belongs to the earth element. It means that she will retain her land or earth in West Bengal. In the case of Dilip Ghosh, we added 4 here and no new plane is formed, only this plane is little bit strengthened. So we can say from here that Mamata Banerjee have edge over Dilip Ghosh. So we can say the winnability chances of Mamata Banerjee are better than Dilip Ghosh. Now we have to see other numbers which are called lucky numbers. Lucky numbers of Mamata Banerjee 1, 5 and 6, and bad number is 4. So if we look at the Lushu grid of Mamata Banerjee, all these numbers are present in her date of birth. So clear indicates that she will be benefited by these numbers. Looking at the lucky numbers of Dilip Ghosh 1, 5, 3 and 7, only one number is present. And bad numbers are 8 and 4, and both are present in the Lushu grid. So from this we can say that Mamata Banerjee has edge over Dilip Ghosh because she has better Lushu grid compared to Dilip Ghosh. But one thing I wanted to make it clear that none of the date of birth is bad. Every date of birth contains something, some trigger that we can explore. So that is different topic that we will discuss later. But each date of birth have many things that can be explored, and no date of birth is good or bad. We are just making the comparison taking the date of birth. So it should be taken in the right manner or right sense we should take. So now Kundali was also prepared of Mamata Banerjee was prepared because our details are present. So I am looking at the two planets only, Rahu and Sun. Whenever they are placed in any house, they make one good politician. So it is placed in ninth house. Ninth house is the house of luck or kismat. So her luck will shine in politics only. So she will make good politician. Now we look at the Antardasha and Mahadasha of planets based on the date of birth Mamata Banerjee. These data were not available in the case of Dilip Ghosh, otherwise comparison has been better. But based on the Mahadasha Antardasha, it can be seen very clearly that during the Antardasha of Mars, which ended on 28th of March 2021, she suffered many setbacks and some of her partymen shifted their loyalty to the opposition parties. Now the Antardasha Rahu started on 28th March 2021 and Mahadasha of Saturn, since both are friendly, so this can give them edge over other parties. Moreover, in the case of if you look at the Lushu grid, year number of Dilip Ghosh was 4, that belonged to Rahu. So here Rahu is also giving benefit to the Mamata Banerjee because it is conjuncting with the Sun in the 9th house. So from this also we can say that Mamata Banerjee have better winnability chances. Now we Nelson's take to further level by taking the question both in numerology and astrology. So question was asked on 3rd of April 2021 and Kundli was prepared, and will concentrate on 5th house only because 5th house belong to Sun, and Sun represents the government, and it is placed in the friendly sign Pisces, and Pisces is governed by planet Jupiter, and Jupiter is friendly with Sun. So this will also give edge to give some benefit to the Mamata Banerjee because government when this is its own house and in the friendly sign, it will always give some benefit to the native. Now we another question was asked to verify whether the results will remain same or not. So from this we can also conclude that when we see that there are many options to see, but I have taken into only relationship of 7th and 6th house. When 7th and 6th house are connected with each other, have some relationship, the opposition party loses the elections. So Jupiter is placed here. So there are chances that Mamata Banerjee will have some better chances over the opposition parties. Now the question which I was asked in we dealt in astrology, we are now taking into numerology. So same question, and this system we reduce the date and time to a single digit, which came out to 5, and 5 also give the indication that the person will. Question was, will Mamata Banerjee retain the power in West Bengal? So this show that she will retain power. Now the question was asked today at 4:25 p.m. Ludhiana, and we reduced this date and time to single digit. It came out to 3, and 3 again gave the positive results to the, we can say, Mamata Banerjee has chances of winning the election in West Bengal 2021. So elections. Based on whole analysis, we can conclude that the winnability chances of Mamata Banerjee party TMC are better than the opposition parties. Hope you like this information. If you like this information, kindly subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Sanjap Astroscience. We'll be back with some other topic soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you very much.